this junk is like bad. Police is everywhere.
Oh, that one's building again too. Look at it.
Oh gosh, that's so crazy.
Researchers are predicting more shark attacks this summer, so should you be worried? George Burgess of the Florida Program for Shark Research says warmer waters are bringing the predators out, and with them, the likelihood of an attack. He says that rising global temperatures have created ideal warmer water temperatures for sharks and people, so the longer we linger, the more likely we are to come in contact with the predators. There are a few things you can do to lessen your chances of coming in contact with a shark. Burgess says to avoid the water between dusk and dawn, stay in groups, and stay out of fish-saturated waters. Sharks aren't looking for human prey, opting for fish or other marine mammals that make up their usual diet. I'm Matt Sampson, the Weather Channel.